When you look at the picture, and if we gave you the GPS coordinates, you would never, ever in your life believe where you are. Hello everybody, welcome to At Your Leisure today. I'm Chad Booth.
And I'm Corby Booth, and believe it or not, we are just 30 miles from Lake Powell in the Henry Mountains. Now, Chad and I have driven past the Henry Mountains
For longer than we want to admit.
Way too many years. They just look like big, black, ominous mountains
sticking up out of the Red Rock.
So we decided to see what was up here.
Right. Now, you know, a few years ago, one of the Utah Jeep clubs did a ride through here, and I saw this road with these trees that enshrouded it. And I said, that can't be the Henrys. And so I've always wanted to come up here ever since then. So we grabbed the kids and a whole bunch of their friends, put together a Jeep caravan, and we're working our way from one side to the other. Now, we started our trip coming off the highway that goes down to Lake Powell. It's a familiar shot that all of you have seen. We will end up actually crossing over the top of the mountains and coming down at the old Nodum Road, which is part of the Burr Trail system.
Well, we have been there.
We have.
Yep.
So we're going to pack on up and take our caravan, get started up the road. And while we do that, why don't you go to this week's travel adventure?